Hello, today I am going to solve this equation. The equation is 2x to the power 4 minus 11x square plus 5 is equal to 0. So I am going to find the value of x. I am going to find the value of x. What will be the value of x? I am going to solve this equation. So let's start. First of all, I am going to let x square is equal to y. I am assuming x square is equal to y. Now again squaring again squaring x का square is equal to y square. So I can say x to the power 4 is equal to y square. Now I am putting these value in this equation. So the equation will become 2y square minus 11y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now I can say this is a quadratic equation. So I am going to make the factor of these equations. So for this I am going to solve this like this. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 multiplied 5 is equal to 10. So I have to find a number on which multiplying I got 10 and by plus minus I got minus 11. So the equation will become, the factor will become here 10 minus 1 is equal to minus 11, while minus 10 and minus 1 equal to 10. So this factor is giving me my factors. So I can write this equation like that: 10y minus 1y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now I am taking common values from these two and common values from these two. So here the common values will be 2y. By taking common, now I am writing here only y because I have took common 2y here, and now there I will be write 5 only because y is I have take common, and now I am taking common from here only minus 1. The remaining equation become y minus 5 equal to 0. This is my rough work. So now I have this equation. 2y y minus 1 into y minus 1. So y minus 1 is common, so I am taking it common, and the remaining equation 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. And now I am taking separately these two values equal to minus y minus 5 equal to 0, while 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So here the 5 is minus 5, and when I am shifting it on the other side of equal, the y value will be plus 5, and same as it is here the y is 5, while in this side the y will become 1 over 2. Now I am putting the value of y as I take this now I am putting the value of y, that is x square. I am putting here y equal to x square equal to 5, while on the other side x square is equal to 1 over 2. And now I am taking square root, the equation will become x square equal to 5 square root, and on the other side x square equal to 1 over 2 square root. The square will cancel their root, this square will cancel this square will also cancel this root, and the equation will become x is equal to plus minus under root 5, while on the other side x become plus minus under root 1 over 2. So the solution set is plus minus under root 5 and plus minus 1 under root 1 over 2. So this is a simple math equation. I hope you like it. If you like, then please subscribe to the channel.